Hey guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90. Welcome to today's video. It's another haul. I don't know why I introduce my videos these days because you've seen from the title what it is already. Just saying. Today we are here with a nail polish haul. This is the majority indies again for you guys. It seems to be the pattern. And yes, I haul way too much, but you guys enjoy it and I enjoy it. So let's get a look at these polishes. First of all, literally hot off the press, I received something in the mail like about 15 minutes ago. And this is actually a bit of PR. This was sent to me, so I'm just going to chuck this in now. So I will be doing a bit of a different video on these, but I actually received some stuff from Madam Glam. Now I did work with them very early on days on my channel, and they approached me recently and wanted to see if I wanted to do some stuff with them. So I'm going to be doing a review and trying out gel nails because I've never applied gel nail polish. I've never used a gel polish lamp. I have no idea what I'm doing. So they sent me their like gel basics kit. So I'm going to see and put this to the test to see if a novice like oneself can follow the rules of the starter kit, and we'll see. But I'm excited. We're going to give this a go. I think I can do it. If I can paint regular nails, it'll just be whether I can follow some simple instructions to applying some gel nails. So we're going to be doing that at a later date. Video will be coming up on my channel soon, but I will link obviously the website to Madam Glam down below. I just wanted to show you that I've got them just because they just arrived, and I got 3 colours as well, and I thought I would go for their one-stop gel because that seemed the easiest. So please leave me comments down below if you have done at-home gels, because I know that a lot of people out there have, and I'm very late to the party, but I'm excited to give that a try. And like I say, I'm going to film hopefully my success and not a fail in a video, but thank you to Madam Glam for that. Then on to the everything else, I guess, really. The first one I have is a order that I did from Ard As Nails. This is a UK based brand, and I'm really excited to start talking about UK brands, especially because I haven't shown them honestly enough love on my channel. And I saw someone post about this the other day saying that that it's a little bit sometimes frustrating how people forget about the homegrown brands. I definitely have been someone that has neglected the British brands, not even for no reason, for not a conscious reason. It's only when I started to look at my posts and everything I was like, why have I not been picking up stuff from British brands? Being completely honest out there. So slap myself on the wrist and yeah, just enjoy all these. And it's also great now that I can say that some of the brands that I show you from the UK are in polish pickup. They're available internationally, because for such a long time it was so hard to get polish out of the UK and to other parts of the world. And I think maybe that might be subconsciously why I didn't show as much UK indies, because I knew that a lot of people out there couldn't get them. But yeah, I want to show you some Ard As Nails. They are available in polish pickup, and they also have an American and I believe Canadian e-tailer, and I will link them down below, so if you're not in this country you can still pick them up. So the first ones are the child of the 80s duo, which is inspired by Barbie and Ken. And these are also the first flakies that Ard As Nails has ever released. And if you know me, you may know that I love blue and pink together in polishes. So the Barbie one is called Hot to Trot, and it is a pink base with blue flakies in it. And the Ken one is called I Love You Ken, and this is a blue base with multi-chrome flakies in there. So I really love the idea of that, and I wanted to try out some flakies from Ard As Nails because I really love flakies. It's like my favourite. Flaky Crelly mixes and Crellies are like my favourite mixes. I then picked up 2 from their monthly polishes, charity polishes. These aren't exclusive to each month, so I have like February's and May's, so you can buy them after the month. It's just like there's a new one each month adding on, and a lot of the money is going towards breast cancer. You can go on their Instagram and you can see kind of how much they've raised, because they do regularly post it. And I want to say that it's really good that they're donating such a large portion of their profits to it, because they must literally just be covering the cost of making it and any profit going to charity, which is amazing. So the first one is called Irish Sea, and this is a blurple base, and then there is some holographic in there and a little bit of a shimmer in there, so that one was beautiful. And another flaky is called Maiden of Stone, and this is a cream base, and then you have a ton of like warm toned flakies in there, like warm toned multi duochrome, where they're kind of like yellow, gold, pink, like they're in that sort of spectrum of the things. There's not really the green purple and blue. It's mainly yellow, orange and red. So those are the ones that I picked up from Ard As Nails. I then have one mainstream, and this one is Essie, and this is called Summer Soul-Stice. I can never say that. So this actually came out this year, and it's in their midsummer collection, which is an exclusive to Scandinavia. So I found this out last year that they do this, where some of the collection from last year is now on Fragrance Direct, and I noticed it because there was ones in different languages that I didn't recognise, and after some googling it turns out every year Essie does an Oktoberfest collection, and they do a Summer Solstice, Midsummer collection, and they're exclusive to other European countries, which is amazing to cater for traditions that are not just in the UK or the US or Australia and Canada. It's good to kind of encompass everything, I think, and Essie really does that really well. So Summer Solstice is part of this year's collection. The website that I got it from has now got it sold out. I did buy it from a Swedish website, so I will try and find some other places to get it, but it's going to be hard unless you're in that part of the world. And it's just a pale yellow cream, but if you know me, or you know Jess from Jess Face 90, if there's a yellow, Essie yellow, you need it, because Essies don't do yellows that often. So that was Summer Soul-Stice. Still can't say that. Lyn B Designs recently released more Harry Potter spells collection. She's done a 6-piece, and now this is the next 6-piece. So for initial launch, I just picked up the one, and I picked up the one of the spell that I hadn't already got a namesake of, if that makes sense. So I picked up Aguamenti, which is the water spell, and this is gorgeous. It is a mid-toned blue with a ton of multi-chrome flakies in there. It just looks so good, and I'm so glad I picked this up, and I will be going back for more. But initially, because she did a little bit of a sale when she first released the collection, I just grabbed this one in the sale, but I will go back and get more. But Lyn B Designs Aguamenti. Occasionally I look for indie polishes on eBay, and I have come up a few times with some good deals on there. I got a hair polish from there recently, but I did grab this bundle that I'm about to show you quite recently on there, and I picked up 7 polishes. So the first one is Pop Polish, and it's called Regrets Are For The Morning. I'm not sure what collection this is from, because I'm quite new to Pop Polish, but it is a green with a bright green flash to it. So excited to try some more from Pop Polish. And also I have another indie that I've never tried before, you may be surprised, FUN Lacquer. Never tried FUN Lacquer before, and here is my first one. It is a duochrome where it goes from purple to green. You can see that green really brightly there. And also it is a magnetic polish, and it's called Gorgeous, and it was from their 5th anniversary apparently. So that's good that they have all the collection information, and they have that it's a multi-chrome on the bottom. That's really useful, because I can never remember when things are thermal or magnetic, and I don't have a lot of experience magnetic, so when I wear this we will talk more about it, I'm sure. I have 2 of the creams from Glisten and Glow that came in this set, and they do quite a lot of creams, and this one, they all are called Mother something. So I have Mother Flora is the light purple, and Mother Moon is the grey. I have a newfound respect for indie makers that do creams, because creams from indies are really, really hard to make. From experience that I've seen Jess do recently, working on her neons, it's hard to make a good cream, so I'm excited to try out more indie creams, definitely. I have one by Colours by Laro, and this is called Times Square. So this is a PolishCon New York exclusive that came in this bundle. And what's funny is I do actually have one of the other Colours by Laro New York exclusives, so I may now have both of them, which is not planned, but pretty cool. And this is a purple holographic with some little bit of multi-chrome, oh excuse you, a little bit of a multi-chrome aspect to it too. She's now sitting on my lap, so you may now hear baby gurgles. Yes? She's just frowning at me like, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? She's probably thinking. And then the last ones in that little bundle were by Enchanted Polish. And again, I don't own a ton of Enchanted Polish. The first one is called Icelandic Sky, and I guess it's meant to look like the Northern Lights. So it is a blurply base, and then we have a pink to green flash in it, which is really beautiful. And the other one is called Magical Mystery Tour, which I'm presuming is from their Beatles collection, because I know they did do a Beatles collection when they were quite new, I think, because Enchanted Polish has been around for a long time. So this is like a multi-chrome, and again kind of similar to the FUN Lacquer one where we have kind of the purpley turquoise range. I really love multi-chromes. I know they're not for everybody, and I guess they can be kind of repetitive, but excuse you, I really do love a good multi-chrome. And the last bit in this haul is going to be my polish pickup from, what month was this? Doesn't it say on the bottom? May. I'm so sorry for people that are bothered by babies in videos, because this is the only way I can get stuff done these days, isn't it? As I said, polish pickup from May, and this is my first time ordering through the UK polish pickup site. I only picked up 2, and I will say the turnaround time was pretty good. There wasn't much of a delay. I think I got them maybe like exactly a month after I ordered them, so that's pretty good going, seeing as they had to go like from indie makers to them, to UK, to us. It was quite good. I was pretty impressed. So I only picked up 2, and this Rogue Lacquer, literally beyond words. And this is called Vice, which I'm guessing is Miami Vice. I didn't pick up a ton from the 80s because I was not alive in the 80s, so I don't really know a ton of the references. I love 80s movies, but other people know the 80s a lot better than me anyway. So this is everything. This is a blue cream with a ton of larger flakes in here, and the flakes are mainly red to green duochrome. They look stunning. I could not let that go. And the other one is from Pahlish, and this is called, I'm going to mispronounce this, the 88 Countach. I think it's a car is what I'm going to say, so please forgive me. And this is a beautiful teal, and there's a little bit of like a pinky shimmer to it, and there's loads and loads of opalescent flakies in there. So those are my 2 picks from May's polish pickup. I didn't pick up any in June, but I possibly will for July, because July is like the flashback month where polishes are coming back, and I really would like the Dollish polish one they're bringing back, Mercy Bouquet. That really is one that I would like. Oh no, I totally lied to you. I did pick up one in June. How bad is that? I picked up the painted polish one, which will be coming obviously soon. Baby braid. Can I still use that as an excuse with a 5-month-old? I hope so. Let me know down below what you've been picking up. All indie sellers and everything will be linked down below for you guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you later. Bye.